गजाननं भूत गणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बो फलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोक विनाशकारणो नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजो नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजं परि परिने पदमे परि परिने पदमे भावन परमदयावन पावन 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 परि परिने पदमे వరములు వేడను నిన్ను వీడను వరములు వేడను నిన్ను వీడను వరములు వేడను నిన్ను వీడను కరిద్రముఖ సుముఖ కరిద్రముఖ సుముఖ నివారణం వరములు వేడను నిన్ను వీడను కరిద్రముఖ సుముఖ నివారణు గబ గరి గరి సని పగరి గ రే గరి ప గబ గని గబ గరి గరి సని పగరి గ రే గరి పాప గబ గని గబని గరి సని పగ రే గబని సని పగరి సరి గని పగరి పతి పతి పదమే భావన పరమదయావన పావన పది పదినే పదమే మురళి మురళి ಮುರಳಿ ಮೃದಂಗನಾಟ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ ಸರಳ ಮಧುರ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸುಧಾಕರ ಮುರಳಿ ಮೃದಂಗನಾಟ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ ಸರಳ ಮಧುರ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸುಧಾಕರ ಮುರಳಿ ಮುರಳಿ ಮೃದಂಗ ಮುರಳಿ ಮೃದಂಗನಾಟ್ಯ ಮುರಳಿ ಮೃದಂಗನಾಟ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ ಸರಳ ಮಧುರ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸುಧಾಕರ ಮುಂದುಗ ನೀವು ಕೊಲಿಚೆವಾರಿಗೆ ಮುಂದುಗ ನೀವು ಕೊಲಿಚೆವಾರಿಗೆ ಮುದೆ ನಿಲ್ದೈ ನಿಲ್ದೆ ನಿಲಿಬೆ ಮುಂದುಗ ನೀವು ಕೊಲಿಚೆವಾರಿಗೆ ಮುದೆ ನಿಲ್ದೈ ನಿಲ್ದೆ ನಿಲಿಬೆ ಗಬಗರೆ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಪಗರಿ ಗ ರೇ ಗರಿ ಪ ಗಬಗನೆ ಗಬಗರೆ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಪಗರಿ ಗ ರೇ ಗರಿ ಪಾಪ ಗಬಗನೆ ಗಬನಿ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಬಗ ರೇ ಗಬನಿ ಸನಿ ಬಗರೆ ಸರಿ ಗ ಸನಿ ಬಗರೆ ಪತಿ ಪತಿ ಪದಮೇ ಭಾವನ ಪರಮತ ಗಾವನ ಪಾವನ ಪದಿ ಪದಿ ಪದಮೇ ಪಾವನ
I will now present a new Varnam in principle of the 5 cosmic elements. From Mahavishnu's navel emerges Lord Brahma, born on a lotus, looks around at the limitless ocean of being, and in deep meditation, he creates the 5 cosmic elements: Akasham, Vayu, Agni, Jalam, and the Bhumi. The first element, Akasha. Trishanku, a king of Surya Vamsham, beseeches sage Vashishta to grant him the ability to retain his human form even in the Svargaloka. Sage Vashishta denies him this power, as this human form is only for the Bhuloka and not for the Svargaloka. Disappointed, Trishanku Raja, who is enamored of his body, seeks help from the great Brahma Rishi, sage Vishwamitra, who grants him this boon just to challenge sage Vashishta. Delighted, Trishanku Maharaja ascends the Swargaloka in his human form. Swargaloka is the province of Indra, who does not allow him to enter in this human form. So he declines the entry. Trishanku Raja is now in between the heaven and the earth, seeks help from sage Vishwamitra, who actually granted him the boon. Sage Vishwamitra creates a loka, a space for Trishanku Maharaja, the Akasham, which is also known as Trishankuloka, the emergence of Akasha. The second element, the Vayu, the story of Guruvayur, as Lord Krishna completes his earthly journey and prepares to retire to Vaikuntham. His consort Rukmini and his friend Uddhavan plead Krishna to leave behind a likeness of his form in Bhuloka for people to meditate. Lord Krishna creates an idol of himself and installs it in Dwaraka. A fierce storm hits the earth and the Bala Vigraham is submerged in the waters, which is retrieved by his friend Uddhavan. And Uddhavan starts meditating upon this deity. After a long time, Uddhavan gives this idol to Guru and asks him to install in the Bhuloka where the people could meditate upon. Guru, with the help of Vayu, deep in the hilly forest of south, find a place where there is a heavenly power that emanates, and Guru and Vayu install this Vigraha, and this place is now called as Guruvayur, which is also called as Vayupura. The next element, Agni. Janaki Devi, consort of Rama, is an embodiment, she is the embodiment of virtue and supreme manifestation of Pativrata. After the defeat of Ravana in Lanka, Janaki Devi is taken back to Ayodhya by Hanuman. But Lord Rama asks her to go through the Agni Pariksha, the trial by the fire. Sita enters the Agni, offers herself into the Agni, and emerges as the supreme manifestation of Pativrata. The fourth element, Varuna, the Jalam. The water in the form of the Ganga Devi, she emerges from the palm of Brahma, flows through Vishnu's feet and rests on Shiva's head, who actually opens herself to flow in full glory. Varuna is the one who controls the clouds and the rain, blessing the earth by giving the life-saving quality of the so-called water. The final element, the Bhumi, the fearful Hiranyakshan, who in his quest of immortality wraps the Bhumi, Bhuma Devi, and takes her and hides her under the ocean. The humanity is in crisis and the darkness envelops. Mahavishnu, sensing this danger, comes out of Brahma's nostril in the form of the Varaha, boar, and goes into the ocean to bring the Bhuma Devi up. The story of Bhumi. These are the 5 cosmic elements which actually controls the universe. And the charanam goes as ஆட்டிப்படைக்கும் பஞ்சபூதங்களை பணிவோம் அதற்கு ஆட்டிப்படைக்கும் பஞ்சபூதங்களை. This varnam, the lyrics has been written by Sri Kavikannan, music composed by Sri Rajkumar Bharati. The rhythm which runs through this varnam has been embellished by the Mridangam Maestro Guru Karaikudi Mani. This is in Ragamalika, Talam Adi. Before I present this varnam, I would like to introduce the supporting artist. On the Natuvangam is Sri Karra Srinivas. Vocal Sri Gomati Nayakam. Mridangam Sri Nagai Narayanan. Violin Sri Ananta Krishnan. Flute Sri Shruti Sagar. Lights by Sri Suresh. Varnam on cosmic elements, presenting for the first time, specially composed for this season. And I take this as a great opportunity to inaugurate this on this divine platform in Narada Gana Sabha. Thank you.
அரவிந்தமீதவர் நான் மூக பிரம்மன் அரவிந்தமீதவர் நான் மூக பிரம்மன் அருளில் பிறந்தது பிரபஞ்சம் அரவிந்தமே தவர் நாமோக பிரம்ம அருளில் பிறந்தது பிரபஞ்சோமரபோத மேதவர் நாமோக பிரம்ம
தட்லங்கு கிடத்தக்க தக்க தத்திங் கிண்ணத்தும் த தம் த த ரி தம் த க ஜ நு தம் த க த த ரி தம் த தி ந த தி ந த க தம் த க தி தம் த க சன் நு தம் த க த க ரி தம் த தி ந த தி ந த க தம் த க சன் நு தம் த க ரி தம் த தி